Hello everyone, welcome to AutoCAD Beginner series. Before you draw, press F12. This is called dynamic input. It shows drawing information right next to your cursor so you can focus on your drawing. Press F12 to turn it on or off. You can also click the dynamic input button at the bottom of your AutoCAD. If you can't find dynamic input in the tab, you have to turn it on from here. See, it's showing now. Let's draw a line. Now, I'll turn dynamic input on. Notice the difference. The length and angle appear right beside my cursor. It's much easier to draw accurately. If you are a beginner, I recommend keeping dynamic input on. It makes drawing faster and easier. Thanks for watching.